Two answers, same walk, listen close.
I was very tired, so I went for a walk. After that, I felt better.
By the time I turned back, it felt like a weight lifted off my shoulders. The problems were still there, but they'd stopped owning me. Same walk, one's band 5.5, honest and stuck. The other is what IELTS speaking examiners call band 9. 4 moves separate them, and by the end of this video, they're yours. Okay, Gia, a long walk that actually stuck with you. Where does your head go? Tell me the whole thing.
Okay. So honestly, I was very tired, so I went for a walk. After that, I felt better. That's the short version, but yeah, it was a few months ago, after a really bad week at work.
A bad week? What kind of bad?
Just everything at the same time. 3 deadlines, and my boss kept changing things. By Friday, I couldn't think anymore. I just wanted to go outside and be alone.
So where did you go?
There's a river near my apartment. It was maybe 6 in the evening. It was very quiet, there were not many people, just me, basically, and the water was very nice with the sunset.
And how long were you out there?
A long time. I walked for a long time, maybe 2 hours. I didn't check my phone. I just kept walking and looking at the water.
2 hours? Wow, and by the end?
By the end, I felt better. Like, my head was more clear. The problems were still there, but I felt okay about them. I don't really know how to explain it.
Okay, really good story, and language-wise it's sitting at about a 5.5. Here's the thing, the story is already band 9, only the words are stuck. Let me retell it, your walk, my words, and you tell me what changes. So picture the end of that week, 3 deadlines colliding, your boss moving the goalposts by the hour. By Friday you're not just tired, you're running on empty, nothing left in the tank. So you do the one thing that makes sense, you head for the river.
By Friday, I wasn't just tired, I was running on empty. Nothing left in the tank.
There it is, very tired just became running on empty. An image, not an adjective, hold it. You get there around 6, and the place is deserted, not a soul in sight. Just you, the water, and the last of the sun sitting on the surface of it.
It was around 6, and there was nobody there, not a soul in sight. Just me and the river.
Not many people became not a soul in sight. Same fact, cinematic, next beat. And you start walking, no phone, no plan, 1 kilometer then another, and somewhere in there you completely lost track of time. 2 hours gone, and it felt like 20 minutes.
I didn't check my phone once, I completely lost track of time. 2 hours, and it felt like 20 minutes.
Walked for a long time became lost track of time, feeling not clock, hold it. And then you turn for home and something's shifted. By the time I turned back, it felt like a weight lifted off my shoulders. The problems hadn't moved an inch, but they'd stopped owning you.
By the time I turned back, honestly, it felt like a weight lifted off my shoulders. Same problems, but they weren't sitting on my chest anymore.
I felt better became a weight lifted off my shoulders. Show the feeling, don't label it. That's band 9. Alright, nice work there, Gia. Before we wrap up, let's go back and look at a few of the expressions you used. I want you to really lock these in.
Yes, please. I'd love to get these down properly.
First move, running on empty. Gia, in your own words, what do you think that paints?
I think it means someone is very tired. Like, no energy left at all.
Exactly right, and notice it's a picture, not a label. It borrows from a car with the fuel gauge on 0. You're not describing tired, you're showing empty.
Oh, I see. So it's the same idea as tired, but it actually shows the feeling instead of just naming it.
That's the whole game. Here's the before and after. In round 1 you said, quote, I was very tired. In the rebuild it became, by Friday I was running on empty. Hear the gap?
Yeah, hearing them back to back is kind of brutal. The second one sounds like a completely different speaker.
And that's exactly what an examiner clocks. Very tired signals a limited word bank. The idiom signals someone who can reach for figurative language on the fly. That's band 9 texture.
Got it. Is there a time I should not use it, though? Like, would it sound too strong sometimes?
Good instinct, keep it for real depletion, the end of a hard week or a big project. If you use it for one bad night's sleep, it oversells and sounds off. Bank the rep, say it after me. By the end of exam season, I was running on empty.
By the end of exam season, I was running on empty.
Perfect, that one's yours now. Second move, not a soul in sight. Gia, what's your read on soul in that phrase?
I think here soul just means a person, so it means there was nobody there at all.
Spot on, soul is an old, warm way of saying person, and in sight means visible anywhere. Put together, the place is completely empty.
Oh, got it, so it's stronger than just saying it was quiet. It's really empty, like nobody at all.
Exactly, and here's the swap. In round one you said, quote, there were not many people. In the rebuild it became not a soul in sight. Same fact, but one of them sets a scene.
Yeah, the second one actually makes me picture the empty riverbank. The first one is just information.
That's the lift. Not many people is a counting phrase. Not a soul in sight does the counting and the atmosphere in one move, and examiners love a phrase that pulls double duty.
Makes sense. One thing though, can I use it if there were still a few people around?
Careful there, no, save it for genuinely deserted. If a handful of people were about, say almost deserted instead, or it sounds exaggerated. Let's bank it, try, I got to the beach at dawn and there wasn't a soul in sight.
I got to the beach at dawn, and there wasn't a soul in sight.
Beautiful, that's yours now. Third move, lost track of time. Gia, what does that actually describe, do you think?
I think it means you were so into something that you didn't notice the time going by at all.
Perfect, and that's the key word, absorbed. It's not about the number of hours, it's about being so caught up you stop counting them.
Oh, that's a nice difference. So it's less about the clock and more about the feeling of being lost in it.
Exactly, here's your swap. In round one you said, quote, I walked for a long time. In the rebuild it became, I completely lost track of time. Same 2 hours, different world.
Yeah, a long time is just measuring it. The second one actually tells you I was somewhere else in my head.
That's the lift an examiner rewards. A duration is flat information. Lost track of time shows immersion, and it's a fixed phrase natives use constantly, so it sounds effortless.
Good to know. Is there a wrong way to use it though? Like if I was just late for something.
Nice catch, keep it for the good, absorbed kind of time loss. For missing a bus you'd say, I lost track of the time, with the, which is a bit more literal. Small difference, but real. Let's bank the good version. Say, I was so absorbed in the book that I completely lost track of time.
I was so absorbed in the book that I completely lost track of time.
That's it, yours now. Last move, and it's the big one, a weight lifted off my shoulders. Gia, what feeling does that give you?
It sounds like a big relief, like something heavy was on you and suddenly it's gone. You can breathe again.
That's exactly it, and notice how it works. It takes an emotion, relief, and puts it in the body as a physical weight being removed. That's what makes it land.
Oh, I really like that. So instead of just saying I felt good, I'm letting the listener feel the heavy thing leave.
You've got it, here's the swap, and it's the sharpest one today. In round one you said, quote, I felt better. In the rebuild, it felt like a weight lifted off my shoulders. 2 words versus a whole picture.
Wow, yeah, I felt better is so small next to that. The second one actually sounds like the moment really mattered.
And that's the band 9 signal. Better tells, the idiom shows. When you dramatize a feeling through the body, the examiner stops marking and starts listening. That's the whole aim.
Understood. Should I be careful not to use it for every little thing, right? Otherwise it loses the power.
Exactly, save it for real turning points. A problem resolved, a decision made, pressure finally gone. Use it for a nice coffee and it deflates. Bank it, try, when I finally submitted the application, it felt like a weight lifted off my shoulders.
When I finally submitted the application, it felt like a weight lifted off my shoulders.
Perfect, that's yours now, go use it.
By the time I turned back, honestly, it felt like a weight lifted off my shoulders. Same problems, but they weren't sitting on my chest anymore. By the time I turned back, honestly, it felt like a weight lifted off my shoulders. Same problems, but they weren't sitting on my chest anymore.